It's Alaska Granny. If you love pasta and foil packet cooking, you're going to love this simple, easy recipe. So fire up your campfire or your grill, and I'm going to show you how to make ravioli foil packets. The first thing you need to do is buy the frozen ravioli. I like the ones with cheese in the middle. The packet says 1 serving is 9 ravioli. Then you just need to chop up a zucchini, a tomato, and then you need olive oil, black pepper, garlic powder, and some basil. So here's what you do. You take your foil packet and you spray it so that nothing will stick. Then you pile on your serving size of ravioli, whatever's the serving size on the packet that you have. Then you slice some zucchini right over the top, add some sliced tomato, give it a drizzle of olive oil, then give it a sprinkle of pepper, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a sprinkle of basil. Then you fold up the 2 long sides, tuck them into each other and fold them up. Then fold up either end. Don't make it too tight. You want to leave a little bit of room for the air to expand. This is pretty big. If your foil isn't big enough, make it double layer. You want to make sure all of the goodness stays inside. This is pretty bountiful, so it has 2 layers of foil. And now I'm going to place my packets right onto my grill. Now place your foil packets into your preheated grill or right into the coals of your campfire. And let them go for about 12 to 15 minutes. Look how good this looks. Pour it out onto your plate. Add a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan. And your dinner is served. Doesn't that look delicious? Learn more at alaskagranny.com and please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.